here today. Got a gorgeous nylon Prada bag for you today. Double buckle with long adjustable straps, so kind of crossbody or shoulder. It's a really gorgeous piece of Prada. So first of all, I'm going to show you the size as always. The measurements are on the website. This is to give you an idea. So the strap is adjustable. So you could have this is on the medium setting. So you could have this either higher or a little lower depending on where you like to carry your bags. And then of course on your height. I am about 5'4" and I'm a UK size 8'10". Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea of the size. It comes with my favourite little tiny little envelope which has got the card with it as well. So let's talk you through the features of the bag. So of course, first of all, we've got the Prada badge on the front. We've also got a zipped pocket on the front, just here, okay, so that goes down to the bottom of that flap there. And then the fasten is a double buckle fasten with a flap, and then we open that and we've got another zip pocket on the front and then the main zipped section. So I'm going to show you, let's do the main zip section first. We'll open that. Okay, so inside, can you see we've got the, the Prada, I'm not sure if that's showing up or not, the Prada logo lining. And we've got the Prada badge. There I see the lining better like that. The Prada badge, one zipped pocket there as well. And then the pocket on the front, if I can get my hands to work. Just there. Okay, so again, a nice deep pocket. The condition of the bag, we've said that the hardware is in good condition. So I'm just going to show you, can you see the Prada on that? Is that going to focus? So the hardware is all in good condition. There's nothing particularly for me to point out to you. You can just see that this has had a little bit of use. The bag has been used. It's a pre-owned bag. The exterior and the interior we've actually called worn condition. Again, there's nothing major for me to point out to you. Nothing is broken or ripped or anything like that. You can just see that the bag has been used. So on the exterior, for example, if I do this zip up in the top, I'm not sure if it's going to show very well. But you can see, you know where the fabric is here? You can see that it's had some signs of use. Can you see? It's just a little bit grubby, basically. And it's the same on the inside. So where the zip is, so it's where it's had sort of use, it's basically where someone's hand has been, and it's got a little bit grubby. So for that reason, we've called it worn. To be honest, the sort of physical condition of the bag is excellent. The corners are all fine, there's no rips or anything like that. Inside it's beautiful, but because it's a little grubby, you can see it's been used, and so we've called the condition worn. But it is still just that gorgeous Prada nylon. I mean, it's just so cool, isn't it? I just love it. Okay, so there's a link to this Prada bag on our website. As always, if you go to my comments below, I have a link that takes you straight to this on the website. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to the newsletter. We send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. Now, as I keep telling you, even if this Prada isn't going to be your first purchase, go and sign up now. We have a lot of disappointed customers because they wait and wait and wait until they see their dream bag, and they think that's the one that I want to use my discount code on. So then they sign up to the letter, and then we send them a discount code, and then they take the bag to checkout, and then they put the discount code in, and in that probably takes, what, a minute, do you think, to do that? In that minute, somebody else has already come in and bought the bag. And because we are a pre-owned store, we have only got one of everything. So if you see a bag you like, there kind of isn't any minutes to lose. I regularly get emails, messages on social media from people who have said, it's just gone online and I've missed it, and I was just signing up and the code's come through and I'm taking it to checkout and they've missed it. So if you are likely to buy a piece of Armcandy from us in the future, and if you are likely to want to have a discount code to use on your first purchase, go and sign up now. Get your discount code ready, and then there's there's no chance you're going to miss out on your dream bag. Okay, so also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you are interested in Uncandy World, what's going on, I would say in the store. Obviously, currently we're locked down, but we're still very, very busy servicing our online business. So if you're interested in that, come join us on Instagram. And to everyone that's subscribed, thank you. We genuinely really appreciate you subscribing and watching our videos and giving us thumbs up and giving us comments and lots of support. Thank you. If you have just found us the first time and you are interested in bags and Armcandy and all the delights like that, we have bags coming in all the time. So every day we have a new piece of Armcandy put onto our website, and then there will be a video about it on here. So if Armcandy is your thing, then subscribe to the channel, set your alerts up so that every day you'll get a little reminder to have a look and see what the bag is that's coming each day.